Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair channel. Today I'm working on a 2013 Nissan Versa 4-cylinder automatic front-wheel drive. The issue is the customer complained that when he's driving, increasing the speed as a noise is increasing as the speed increases. So after check the vehicle and took it for a test drive, I found that one of the wheel bearings is making noise. So let me show you here. Probably you can hear it in the camera. There's the rear left of the driver rear side of the vehicle. You can hear how loud it is. Now we're gonna go on the other side to make sure no noise at all. So definitely we have a wheel bearing issue here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove that, and we are going to just replace that bearing. So a couple things that you guys are gonna need. Make sure, first of all, when you lift the vehicle, use your floor jack. You put jack stand, so make it more secure, so that way prevent any accidents. And you guys gonna need a chisel, hammer, a 30mm socket, and either a ratchet, or if you have one pneumatic end, you can use this. And of course the 21mm socket to remove those lug nuts and the tire. Okay, so anyhow, let's get to it. And if you're new to the channel, please take the time to subscribe, like the video, comment. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave it on the section below in the comments, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And if you are already subscribed to the channel, thank you for coming back and looking at the video, support our channel. We really appreciate it. Without any further ado, let's get to it. All right, so there you go. So here's the bearing. So we have to remove the snap ring right there. So we're gonna use a screwdriver. And we gotta be careful here. We have a magnet ring, so that's for your ABS, so make sure you don't damage it. So take your time with removing this. Let me set it up. There you go. Right there. Now we definitely got to press this out. The way we're gonna do it today, in case you don't have a hydraulic press, we are gonna make sure this it fits very nicely there. Put it like that. Now we're gonna use our socket. I'm gonna hit it away. Yep, it's coming out. It's coming out. So, all right. So, let's continue. Fortunately for us, I have another one, so we can raise this area and we can take it out. Done. It's out. Very good. Very good. And if you can see, this side is very dark. It's burned. Like this side is the one that was overheating. You can see it. So this side is nice and clean. Like you see, it's different color degrees and everything, versus all dark for the high temperature. Right there. Oh well, happens. Alright, so here is the new bearing. It's good quality. So you gotta look at this one, because sometimes they have a direction, but this one looks like it's pretty much the same both sides, which is good. So this is big enough, so that's not gonna push my stud back out, so that's good. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna use this to press it back in. Okay, so I don't have the right one, so we're gonna use the bearing right there. Now we're gonna put this socket on top of that race. Take your time. Very good. It's going in. Awesome. for now it's all bottom. It's moving nice and easy. I'm gonna clean the snap ring again. Make sure that one side gets in. Now you're going to press it, and that's it. It's all the way in. There you go, no more noise. All right guys, so I will post on the description below how much is the torque for the lug nut. Okay, and I believe I'm gonna change a lug nut. This one, the nylon is already cracked there. I don't like it, so I'm gonna get another one. But anyhow, so you know, that's it. That's how you replace it for this application. Nothing's gonna happen to the bearing, so as long as you're careful, you should be able to do it like this. So please, if you have any questions, comments, concern, call me, text me. I mean, sorry, leave your comments below, and I will answer as soon as I can. And I hope this helped to somebody to save money and fix your car, so that way the bearing doesn't come apart. Anyhow, please like the video, comment, share it, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day. All right, so see you in the next video.